Hey, my name is Kiodour, and coming up I'm going to show you how to attach a wall to a stair in Revit. The first step is to select your floor level. I'm just going to bring up the 3D view as well, that way I can see what's going on while I'm doing it in plan view. I'm going to draw a wall to the edge of the stair. There it is, right at the edge of the stair. Now we edit wall type by double clicking the wall, or we select the wall and click edit profile. I'm gonna pick the edge, pick a line, and pretty much select the edge of the stair. There it is. And if you're not able to select the edge, you just hit the tab key and that should do the trick. We're going to trim, and the shortcut for that is TR. Just delete those excess lines. That's it, hit the tick. And there you have it, nicely trimmed. And if you look closely, you will see a little reveal down here. Okay, so we're going to clean that up. That line tool, select the face of the stair, and then select the wall, and that's it. Not much to it, that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.